What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you don't miss out on future videos on my 2017 STI or even my vlog videos. So today's video we're going to be unboxing the Invidia Catless Downpipe. And I ordered this off Import Image Racing. As you can see, my shirt, you guys probably wonder, like, do I have any other clothes? I usually wear the same shirts. It's because, you know, I'm just shouting out my peeps for supporting. So make sure to check them out. They have the lowest prices on parts that I've noticed online. They're great to work with, very fast delivery. So yeah. All right, so once you guys hit that like button, I'll go ahead and start unboxing. I'll wait. Right there, right? It's like right here, yep. Got it? All right, let's go. Here we have the Invidia Catless Downpipe. I also have the extra bung hole, I believe it's called. The extra hole in it, and I also have a turbo heat shield in here, should be in here, so let's get unboxing. So I did order this from Import Image Racing. One thing I do notice, they usually write a little note on the box, and I don't see a note this time. What happened with that? So as you see, it comes with the turbo to downpipe gasket, and I recently put the R400 exhaust, and I had gotten a gasket for that, so I'm just gonna reuse that gasket that I have on the R400 right now, which actually it was an adapter that went from a smaller size because the stock downpipe is smaller, so that gasket may not work because it was a smaller size to a bigger size. We'll figure it out. You know what? I just figured it out. It comes with a gasket already. So here's the Invidia gasket. Looks nice. Here's a little card from Import Image Racing. Hopefully I'll take a nice picture and they could use it on their cards in the future. So according to the sheet, this is a race only product, so going forward, I'm only going to race everywhere. Ooh, looks nice. Good old Cobb, always giving you stickers. And here is the heat shield. They have it nice and protected right now, but this is the heat shield. We'll be putting this on as well. So here it is. As you can see, I got the divorced. That way the wastegate and your exhaust goes down two different holes. That way it doesn't create some sort of, what is it, a turbine, some sort of bad airflow. So as you can see right here, we have, I guess it's capped off. And then here's the other open bung hole. Bung hole. So that's probably what it's gonna sound like. But here you can take a look at some of the welds. So I just wanted to do that quick video. I wanted to make sure everything was in the box so when we go to install it, there's no surprises. I do plan on installing this soon. I gotta find a weekend when the guys at WRX are available because I'm going to be going there. They're allowing me to use the lift to make the install an easier project. And if you guys haven't checked them out already, make sure to do so. WRX, they're here in South Florida. That's the only place I would take my car in this area for sure. So they have a bunch of knowledge, a bunch of experience. They have some of the fastest Subarus there, so check them out. Also, a little update on Friday, I was not able to go to the track. Unfortunately, the track was rained out. So here in Florida, you never know what happens. So we'll try again some other time. I'll probably try to go down to Mexico and use the Accessport to test out the quarter mile before I install this. And then after I install it, I'll do the same thing. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks. I didn't want to hit the camera too hard because it's on a tripod and I might have knocked it over and that would have looked stupid.